In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion workspace for school or university. If you want a clean, organized system for classes, notes, assignments, and study materials all in one place, Notion can be a great option. The goal is to build a workspace that is simple enough to maintain, but detailed enough to actually help you stay on top of your academic life. Start by creating your Notion workspace for school or university. This will be the main area where everything for your studies lives. Keeping your academic content in a dedicated workspace makes it easier to focus and avoids mixing school materials with unrelated personal projects. As you set it up, think of it as your digital study hub. Next, if you want to check whether you can access the Notion education plan, use your school email address when signing up or checking eligibility. This can be useful because education access may include features that are especially helpful for students. If you are currently enrolled, it is worth making sure you use the email connected to your school or university account so you can see what options are available. Once your workspace is ready, create separate pages for each course, class, or subject. This gives every area of study its own dedicated space, which makes everything easier to find later. For example, instead of storing all your notes and materials in one big page, you'll have a clear structure where each subject has its own section. Inside each course page, add note pages for lectures, readings, and lessons. This helps you capture information in a way that stays organized over time. You can keep your notes grouped by date, topic, or class session, depending on what feels most natural to you. The important thing is consistency, so your notes remain easy to review when quizzes or exams come up. After that, create an assignments tracker for homework, deadlines, and exams. This is one of the most useful parts of the system because it gives you a quick overview of what needs to be done and when. A tracker helps reduce the chance of forgetting important due dates, and it also makes it easier to plan your workload ahead of time. You should also store study resources inside each course page. Add links, files, and references so that your materials stay connected to the subject they belong to. This can save a lot of time when you need to review something quickly because everything is already in the right place. Finally, build a simple education routine around your workspace. Update your pages after class and review them before exams. Even a few minutes of regular maintenance can make a huge difference. Like when you keep your Notion workspace current, it becomes a reliable system that supports your studying instead of creating extra work.